Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to go over the property report that was delivered to us by InsideMaps. I scanned this property using InsideMaps Hero Rotator, and now we're going to look and see what the final deliveries were. So here you have the address. It shows 2 floors, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. It shows some more details that are pretty extensive. Click on this I button. It shows when the property was scanned and the internal ID. We can explore the 3D tour, which we'll do here in a little bit. There's a dollhouse. We'll explore that in a little bit. Here we have floor plans, and you can zoom in and zoom out. This is showing the different materials that are on the floor plans. Looks like you have the option to download in both the material as well as black and white. Here we have 3D staged floor plans. And so there's different angles. This unit was empty, but here you can see that they were staged. And you can download these as well. If we click on first floor, it has the image of the room. Now these images were extracted from the tour, and they look really good. Here you have the room kind of drawing along with elevations. Shows wall area, floor area. I find this helpful. I bought a house and immediately scanned it with a different provider, and I was able to get the square footage to give to the painters and the flooring company. But this is helpful. You can find out how much baseboard you need to order, how much ceiling paint, wall paint, carpet or wood for the floors. So the other rooms are labeled as such. Click on exterior, and there's a couple photos. Oh, sorry, right here. There's a photo. And then the different elevations. Here's the HDR photos. This was shot with an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Quality looks really good. Now this is pretty cool. They're able to virtually stage photos, and they have a few rooms identified. This is the after. We'll show the before. You can see the cabinets changed a little bit. I like starting with the before and then showing the after, but I can see why they want to do after and then before. So here's before, here's after. Really enjoying the quality of the virtual staging. The kitchen is pretty cool. That's the before. They did a complete makeover. Looks great. Then they were able to throw together a video. I'm going to hit play on it, and we'll see if it records the audio. Again, well, I didn't say again, but this reel was made using still photos, which I find pretty cool that they're able to do that. And then here we have the pin on the map. So let's go up and hit the dollhouse. Here you have it, and then I can click anywhere. and explore the property. If we go up here, we hit Explore 3D Tour. It opens in a new window. And we started outside. Now we'll go in. Those window pulls look really nice. Go in the backyard or the balcony. I like the fact that there's a mini map here. We can change floors. Go into the bedroom. We can view the floor plan. There you have it. And then, of course, everything on the side is what we just clicked on in here. So, yeah, there you have what the property report looks like for InsideMaps. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the video description. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd greatly appreciate it. And as always, share the video with those you think might find it interesting. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching.